Welcome to WinOps, DevOps on the Microsoft Azure Stack by Jonathan Wright. Bit of background: I'm a distinguished technology evangelist, thought leader and futurist with more than 20 years of international commercial experience. I'm currently the Chief Technology Officer for DigitalAssured.com based in Oxford in the UK. Previously, I've been a keynote speaker at various conferences including TED, Gartner, Oracle and the STAR conference series across the globe. I've also won awards for a number of books on automation and also on some of the Microsoft PowerShell and Windows scripting host technologies. The course overview. So what are we going to learn? In section 1, we're going to have a look at Agile and DevOps. Then we're going to move on to Kanban and Lean and how you can optimize your processes. Then dashboards and queries. And then scaled Agile. And then alerts. And finally, we'll move on to customizing your templates.